Backfire. It's that explosive engine noise we all know, but don't quite understand. If your pressure washer is backfiring, it's a sign that your engine may need attention. In today's APW Repair Center video, we'll review some common causes of backfiring and discuss solutions to improve your engine's performance. So, what exactly is a backfire? A backfire occurs during engine operation. When an engine functions normally, all of the fuel in the engine cylinder should ignite. If the fuel doesn't fully combust, however, particles of unburned fuel can travel to the exhaust where they mix with hot gases and reignite. This reignition of fuel in the muffler is known as a backfire. A common cause of backfiring is fuel type. Pressure washer engines, like those from Honda or Briggs & Stratton, are designed to run on fuel with less than 10% ethanol. Traditional E85 gasoline used in cars can contain up to 83% ethanol. The volatility of high ethanol fuel causes premature combustion and unburned fuel in the exhaust, which, as we know, leads to a backfire. We recommend sticking to non-ethanol fuel and using additives like Ethanol Shield to protect your engine. Neglecting regular engine maintenance can also be another source of engine backfire. Components like the engine air filter, fuel filter, and spark plugs play a crucial role in the delivery of air and fuel to the engine. For most pressure washers, replacing these parts is inexpensive and can be done in less than an hour. Older pressure washer engines may backfire more often due to less advanced carburetor and muffler designs, which can struggle with air-fuel transitions and exhaust release. Although rare, if you have an older pressure washer that still struggles with backfiring after performing general maintenance, we suggest consulting a pressure washer part specialist or repair shop like APW. For more pressure washer parts, tips, and maintenance advice, visit our website or check out more videos on our YouTube channel.